Oh my god. Ugh. Hey gang, it's Leda Lum, and today we're gonna try the unicorn hair cutting method. I'm very excited. My hair's been driving me nuts. Let's cut it off. Yay! Hair! Yay! My hair's been driving me nuts lately, completely bonkers, and I usually have it up and it's just so long, and I really don't want to go get a haircut, just take the time and energy. It's up anyways. So if I ruin it, what's the big deal? I'll just go get a haircut. I mean, I've been really wanting just to go like, it's just long. Look how long it is. And it's like so much. I went to Sally's and I just got some Oster professional hair scissors. I just got the cheapest ones they had, $13. And I think if this works out, this is gonna be great. I can cut my own hair. I'm prepared for disaster. It'll be fine. I also got one of these cool, I have a Denman brush that's kind of like this, but it fell apart. It like had a little band over it that popped out. So this one is one piece. I'm very excited about it. Oh, I can't wait to wash my hair. Oh, it feels so good. Yeah, this is my new hairbrush. It was $4. Amazing. Shampoo brush, Tool Structure. But really, I only wash my hair like once a week. You guys, once a week. Look at those cute curls though. That's from having my hair up in a bun, which I pretty much do every day. I don't even take my hair out. Look, all those are just from putting my hair up in a bun. I just wish the rest of this would work. I want easy. I'm into easy. I mean, right now I have easy makeup on. I just have the lusters from my brand, Good Faith stuff, and rosé. And it's just a little bit of nice sheen mascara and their lip. A sample of our lip enhancer. So excited. Oh my gosh, my lips feel plumpy. I digress. My goodness. I watched a few YouTube videos of the curly girl method people. We'll see if this works. It might not work, guys. I'm not saying I'm an expert, but it'll be fun to watch. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna go wet my hair and we're just gonna do this. Oh my god. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while. I'll link to these tools. I love this. Oh yeah. Let's go do this. I'm gonna go wet my hair. Everything's wet. I do have this fancy, like, curly girl hair repair. Hair repair, P-E-A-R. It has a little thing where you can tuck in the ends, you know, to wrap it around. I noticed no difference, honestly, if I use this Curly Girl approved, it doesn't create frizz, versus just a towel. I don't notice the difference. Fancy Curly Girl hair sprayer. If it dries out too much, I can spray that on. My neighbor is learning the trumpet, or he's just FYI, that's why that sound is happening. CC idea, I had this brush, which then I gave to my cat. She loves using it. Just kidding. It kept slipping, you know, this handle kept slipping. The hairstylist who specializes with curly girl hair, who I got my last few haircuts from, she recommended this. This Denman, see this one? See how it just comes out, and I mean, it was in there for a while, but now it just comes out. Plus these are kind of short. So this one, I just got at Sally's. I can stick my fingers in there, like I can really get in there. I'm so excited about this. This is dope. Definitely linking to this one. And look at how much longer those spikes are compared to this. And I've been using this Not Today, which is a very clever name, get it? K-N-O-T, Natural Leave-In Detangler. And I've basically been using this as like a conditioner, shampoo, everything. And I just slathered it in, and a lot of it's in there. And I'm gonna brush my hair forward and do the unicorn horn. This one's got really cool organic mango fruit extract. Wow. Organic slippery elm, marshmallow root, which is very cool, organic. Links to this in the description. At the end of this hair cutting experience, I'm definitely gonna use Tonya's Handmade, you guys. I have been really into her flaxseed hair gel curl enhancer. She's got a lot of awesome flavors. This is very cool. It's aloe vera, flaxseed, marshmallow root again, panthenol, and it just makes it look really good. And I think if my hair's shorter, it'll just be more manageable. My life will be great. And I'll just put this on, scrunch it up, diffuse if necessary, and it's gonna be great. Life is so good when my hair is easy. Ready, set. So awesome. Oh, it's so good. And really what I should do is be detangling from the ends. And so I should probably get my comb, just rando comb here that I've had for years, goodie. Start from the ends a little bit. And I always have a ton of hair fall, or a ton of hair come out because I basically brush my hair once a week. But this stuff, I also know that the Shea Moisture people make basically the same product, and it really does work. It makes my life easier, you know, up to the knotty part. Just put a little more in right now. Let's comb through here. Ow! Can you guys hear the trumpet? It's actually really much easier to comb through with that. Not today. If I leave it in for a little bit, it actually works better. And then you comb. Ah! So much easier. Ah! Oh. One section done. Oh my gosh, this tool is ingenious. Okay, my hair stayed really wet. Okay, so I make my ponytail up here. Unicorn horn. I mean, it's a really fun name. Who doesn't want to try a unicorn horn haircut? Oh my gosh, you guys. My husband was like, no, that's not a good idea. You're gonna mess up your hair. And it might mess up my hair. I mean, that's the thing with curly hair. You're not gonna notice. So that's why I'm like, it's pretty safe. So now we're gonna go down to the edge, I guess. Oh gosh, you guys, this could be the end of the world. It's not the coronavirus. It's fine. It's always fun going to a haircut when they're like, what did you do? This is terrible. I mean, these look like very specific, and I'm gonna have to do the multiple unicorn horn method, you guys. We're gonna do this a few times. Okay, ready? Set. Go. Oh God. Okay. It's pretty hard to not cut this in a weird angle. Oh shit. Okay. I mean, also this is not that much hair. Okay, look, see, that's difficult. Oh, it looks ridiculous. It's this weird blunt end that everybody warns about. Ugh, look what I did. That's not good. Now, we're gonna do the... I'm not sure, you guys can definitely correct me in the comments. If something's weird, tell me. So now we're gonna go snipping in to apparently make this less ridiculous looking. Again, I'm pretty haphazardly doing this. We'll see if it helps. This is so blunt and weird, so I'm snipping into that, and I just don't know if I'm doing it right at all. That happened. It did. Okay, let's see how ridiculous. Does it look ridiculous? So that's pretty blunt. But then what we do is we do it again. Hair is shorter, it feels great. But because I pulled my hair forward, that kind of does the layers in the reverse, allegedly. Comb it back out. Oh, it does, it feels like there's less hair there. I like it. Let's use my really cool hairbrush tool. A poem for you guys. I'm excited about this hair technique. I hope this looks good and nobody notices. Oh, I see some hairs on my chairs. Stop rhyming. We're gonna do a around the crown, diagonal, I think. I've seen some people do this really kind of haphazardly and it seems fine. Like not an exact angle. So I'm just gonna do that. So there's this back here. It's still long. It's still long. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Pull it forward. Oh my god, I love this thing. This is gonna like make my life just great. I mean, I kind of feel like I should have went shorter. Do it again. God, I hope this works nicely. Does this look like something you want to try? Have you already done this? So I'm supposed to cut at an angle up towards the ceiling. See how that angle is going up? That makes things a little better. In what way, I don't know. Okay, great. Kind of a point to chop into that again to make it less blunt, weird looking, like you got your own haircut. This part, I don't know if I'm doing very good. Is that better? I have no idea. There's the hair. It wasn't that much. Doesn't seem like that much, does it? Okay, so like the ends look maybe a little less blunt. No? Feels like I got a haircut, guys. It feels more manageable. I love it. The middle part ish. And then pull the hair forward and do the prayer hands method. Gradation a little bit. Sort of. I think it's gonna work out just great. There's a way that she cut that, like, you know, that the curl at the end. Well, this looks pretty cool. That looks pretty curl. Okay, so I'm gonna mix my. Ooh, yeah. This is unscented, and now I'm gonna mix a bit of gardenia, which is my favorite smell. It might have been good if I did one more unicorn, like around the crown here for these guys, but we'll find out after we try it. Okay, and then scrunchy. So I could diffuse it. The one thing that has really made a difference for around here to make these look good is finger twirling. So I like just coax them into a curl, and then when they dry they'll look corkscrew curly, which I just love that trick. It really works well. Yeah, these in here might be a bit all one length. It might behoove me to fix that. See how it kind of like coaxes it in? That feels more manageable, which is the main point here. This is longer length around here. Yeah, this might be a little boxy right on here, but we'll find out. I've seen this a few times on YouTube. Ready? Set. Ta-da! Poof! I've been wanting to do that. So it's pretty good. I don't think it's, what do you guys think? You think my ends right here a little too, you think I cut the crown too evenly? Maybe I can make a few of these a little shorter. I guess I'll have to YouTube how to find little tendrils, you know, just to clean it up so it's not so one length here. But I'm excited. I love this technique. It was easy, you know, I didn't have to like schedule an appointment and go across town, and so I'm very excited because I think it looks pretty good. And we found some new cool, much better hairbrush. I mean, I loved this, and this is so much better. It's just so much better. I can't even believe it. You guys, links to this, Tonya's handmade flaxseed hair gel. My favorite scent is the gardenia, mixed in with the other, because it's just a little strong for me, but it does make me feel so feminine. Oh, little tendril there. But all in all, I think this is the simplest way. I mean, I was just hoping it was easy. I thought I was gonna part in the middle and pull and kind of cut like this. I had no idea that was gonna be so easy. It's like the simplest, most cool, and it's named the unicorn haircut. I mean, so great. And I could just put my hair up and the stick, these mahogany sticks, I love them. Amazon, $6. And these tendrils can fall out. I like it. That's my favorite thing is when when I put on my hair, that the tendrils fall out. Yay! I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love you. Bye. So I mix just empty of smell. My hands are too greasy. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope so if this gets you know, unwet. Ta-da! Hey gang! Hey gang, it's Leda Lum, and today we're going to cut my ready. I mean, these curls look, my hairstyle is, okay, if this, it's always fun going to a hair, it's always going, hey gang, it's Leda Lum, and today we're gonna cut my hair off for your entertainment. Hey guys, it's Leda Lum, and my hair has been driving me nuts, and I don't want to go get a haircut. I don't want to take the time or energy or onward. And then like all YouTube, I've seen this on YouTube. Oh, my. Okay, let me go wash. Okay, so